Hi everyone, welcome to Dionea Creates. So in today's video, we are going to be repurposing this beautiful frame that my stepdad found for me. And we are going to be using this gorgeous deer from the Fairy Merry Christmas transfer from the IOD release this year. And I just can't wait to use this. So let's just get started. So you guys, I had this frame, I've had it in my stash for a long time, and I was looking for something to do with this deer, and I remembered I had this, and I pulled it out, and I just thought how beautiful this would be to paint it with the Fusion Mineral Bayberry paint, which you guys know is one of my favorite greens. I think that green just will really pull out like all the beautiful greens in this transfer. So let's just get started doing that. I'm going to go ahead and take this. It has some styrofoam in here because it's thick from the back. So let me just take this out real quick. Lay that over here for right now, so that won't be in our way while we're painting. And so I am excited to get started. How are you guys doing? You have all of the things done, all your shopping? Are you doing your baking? Just all the things. How is it going? I am still working on all the things. And I'm getting there. I am getting there. I've got some shopping to do. Oh, you guys, this screen is going to be perfect on here. And I do not care if I have perfect coverage, because I think it already is kind of a lighter green color. And so I think that's okay if some of that shows through. I am going to use some of the Paint Couture Van Dyke Brown Glaze on this. And so, it's gonna all work together anyway. And so you guys, for this project, again, this is just to give you an idea of things that you can do. So look around at, in your stash, at the thrift store, whatever, and just know that these projects with frames, they make wonderful gifts. So if you're needing a last minute gift for someone on your list, or you need a quick home decor piece or anything like that, these frames just really make a great gift. They're easy projects, and you can find really pretty frames at the thrift stores, even the dollar stores, all day long. So just keep that in mind. And you don't have to use this transfer. If you don't have these transfers, if you don't have any transfers, you could use napkins, you could use printables, you could use decoupage papers, just so many different things that you can do. Again, it's just to give you a general idea of an idea for a gift. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And so we are just going to work on painting this. And I thank you guys, because it is the Christmas season. I think that what we will do is we'll use a little bit of the Christmas magic that we have at this time of year and just get this wrapped up. I just love Christmas magic. So here it is, you guys, all painted. What do you think? I think it is so pretty. I just really love it. So what we're going to do now is we are going to take and we are going to put some of the Paint Couture glaze on here to make things just stand out a little bit more. This is the Van Dyke Brown, and I haven't used this color before. I've heard lots of people talk about how much they love it. So we will see how that works and if I love it too. And I'm just going to kind of randomly do this because I am really not going for like a consistent glaze throughout. I just want like little touches here and there because, you know, I'm going to wipe it back anyway. And so this will be like really, really, really fast. But I really want it to be kind of in some of these grooves that are all over this gorgeous frame. And you guys, if you haven't used like any glazes or waxes, any of those things, I really encourage you to try them because they really do elevate your projects to just a whole nother level. You can take the simplest picture frame or mirror, yeah, even a mirror. You know, any type of craft that you do, anything like that, if you just add some of these to it, oh my goodness, it just really, really, really changes, again, how the look of it is. You can take something from the Dollar Tree and make it look like, you know, it came from another department store or, you know, something like that. It's just, it gives it really, really a nice look. And so again, when we wipe this back, it's just going to leave this pretty finish in all of these grooves, which thank goodness for that magic because there are a lot of grooves in here. All right, we're going to run over these a little bit. I am going to put some of the Pin Art wax paste on this edge here because I want it to kind of, you know, have a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to use bronze on that. All right. And just get this back of this one, the bottom. This edge over here. All right. So now what we are going to do is we're going to take our baby wipe and we're just going to start to pull this back to create just this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look to this. And I know that sounds crazy that we put this stuff on there, but we're pulling it all back. But we want it in all of these grooves and stuff. That is where the magic happens. And it just brings out all of that detail that kind of gets lost when you paint it. And so it just makes it really stand out. And you can take as much of it back as you want. Really, it's up to your preference as to kind of how you like, you know, how you like the look. I'm going to raise it up a little bit just so I can kind of see. So I can kind of see it under the light as to kind of what I like. And then look at it, you guys. You can see just what a difference that makes. Isn't that pretty? Like I said, it took this frame that was really beautiful already, and it just gave it like even more beauty to it. So I just keep kind of playing with it till I kind of get it the way that I like it. Again, that's a total preference. All right, I think that is good. Let's see, did I get too much wiped off of the top? I think it's okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna just take the Pent Art wax paste and I'm gonna go over just these up here. Just ever so slightly. Just to make those stand out even more. Oh my gosh, you guys. So you guys tell me, let me know in the comments if you have used like these glazes or these waxes and like what you think of them. I just really love them. I think it's amazing how it can just elevate everything. All right, so we are gonna let that dry and then we are gonna go ahead and put our transfer on. So let's just kind of rotate this around. And I'll hold this up in just a second once we get that so you can see it all ready. See, I see a little bit of paste up here. Let me see if I can wipe that back. Oh, I love it, y'all. I think it's really, really pretty. All right, so now we are just gonna work on our transfer and we are just gonna put this on our glass. And so I'm just gonna kind of see exactly where I want this from a placement standpoint, because my frame isn't quite big enough. I think I'm just gonna get kind of a little bit of, part of his antlers will be gone and then part of the bottom is gone. But I think that's okay because I wanna see all the pretty like Christmas colors that are around this. So we're just going to separate our transfer from the backing. And I kind of have my paper under here just to help me see a little bit. And then we're just gonna, again, place it on here, kind of where I was thinking I wanted it. And this, you guys, is the most tricky part of the transfer, because once you kind of start laying it down, you're committed. All right, so then what we'll do is we'll just start using our little tool here, and then we'll just start pulling it back as we are working on the transfer. And Usually on glass, it's pretty easy. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be so pretty. So I think, you guys, I think we will use a little bit more of that Halloween magic. I mean, the Christmas magic again. See, magic isn't just for Halloween. Christmas has magic too. So I think we will use some of that so you guys don't have to just watch me do this part. So we are going to do that and use that Christmas magic, and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, with the magic of Christmas, this is done. And look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness, I just love it. So now we're just gonna put this into our frame and we will be done. So this is still just a little damp in some places. So I'm going to just put this in here. And this also has some styrofoam that goes in there because it is, you know, it's thick here. So that there. And then I'll hold it up so you guys can really see it. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Isn't it stunning? Oh my gosh, I am in love with it. I just think it looks so beautiful, and I think it will be a perfect addition to my Christmas decor. And it was really, really easy. And again, I just took something, a frame that I had in my stash that I thought would be perfect for it. And then I just added the transfer. So again, just look around your home, look around in your garage, check out your thrift store. Just try to find some things that call to you and create something beautiful with them. It's amazing what some paint and a few other little finishes can do to really transform something into something that you love. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun with it. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Love and light to you all. And we'll see you again real soon.